that the child is doing need based talking, but nothing beyond that. So, how do we take it forward? What fridge? Where inside the fridge? What spilled? What milk? Who? Mama. So, first do the inorganic bit, do the pyramid what, who, where, when, why, how, and then incorporate all of that learning into the organic. Anything that you are doing, put it into words. And in less than a year's time, you will see the magic of inorganic plus organic, and your child would be back and forth talking like another kid. Audio Jungle. Hello, everybody. Rajni here from Sashak Empowering Lives. So, today the topic that we are going to take is enhancing communication beyond need based talking. A lot of you say that the child is doing need based talking, but nothing beyond that. So, how do we take it forward? So, now there are two ways of going forward. One is the inorganic approach, which is the pyramid approach, which means you will do what, who, where, when, why, how. You will separately teach the child all of this. You will teach the concept of what, you will make them rote learn 4 sentences around it so that they know how to describe an object. You'll teach them the concept of where, who, why, when separately. And then you will put them together, and that will lead to the child being able to say a full sentence. Again, the child has to be taught that first you say this, then you say this. So that's the inorganic way. The second approach is the organic approach. What is organic approach? And you will have to do both the approaches together. Like first, you cannot do organic completely because the child doesn't know what, who, where, when, why, how. Once they know this, then you have to mix it with organic. Organic means doing it within the house in the natural environment, not just with a notebook. Within the house, outside the house, in the park, at the beach, wherever you are. That is organic. That is basically what life is offering you. So, say for example, once you've taught them what, who, where, when, why, how, and they know all of that, and then you are saying, you try to take out milk from the fridge, and you shook it a bit, the patila or the vessel, and it spilled in the fridge. Yeah. Then immediately before taking a cloth and cleaning the fridge, I'm saying a very practical thing that happens at home. You have to call the child and say to mama आपने fridge में दूध गिरा दिया. Mama, you spilled milk inside the fridge. Look. So you are putting the words in the kid's mouth. So now if you see, Mama, you spilled milk in the fridge. So now what fridge? Where inside the fridge? What spilled? What milk? Who? Mama. So all the areas that you taught separately, sitting on the table and chair, yeah, showing him pictures and this and that. Now you're making good use of those areas in the organic without amalgamating or putting together or associating the inorganic with organic. Your child will only stay stuck onto what you taught in the book, and the child will not generalize it. It's very important to add organic to it. Similarly, so if you've ordered pizza, I'm just taking random examples. If you've ordered pizza and the pizza has arrived and it's on the table, so you're telling the child, go tell daddy, pizza is hot, come quickly. Let's have lunch. Go tell. Now, what is hot? Pizza. There's a why, why because. Why should you come quickly? Because it's still hot and nice and tasty. What will happen if you don't come quickly? It will get cold. So, even before we realize there is so much we are teaching the child just by adding the organic bit. So, first do the inorganic bit, do the pyramid what, who, where, when, why, how, and then incorporate all of that learning into the organic. Make sure that by the time you go to sleep, your jawline is hurting because you're talking so much. Yeah, with me? It's the same thing even when my son is now a working professional, talks back and forth. My jawline hurts because I talk to all of you. But you, please make sure you talk a lot to the kid. If you're making something, insert language in it. If you're talking to the maid, insert language in it. What did Mama tell Sunita auntie? Mama told Sunita auntie, you put too much salt. Tell me what I told Sunita auntie. Now, your very act of talking to your maid ki namak zyada ho gaya tha, you put extra salt, now becomes a tool for teaching the child language. And this will also lead to remembering, because when daddy comes, you say, tell daddy what mama told Sunita auntie today. And then give a little bit of prompt. So there's active working memory that's getting involved. There is staying in the here and now, because the child will become more observant, more concentration, high focus. Yeah, just by doing a random everyday organic talk around anything and everything, including dustbin is too full. Let us keep it outside, including the tap is on, including let us put the clothes on the cloth line. Anything that you are doing, put it into words. And in less than a year's time, you will see the magic of inorganic plus organic, and your child would be back and forth talking like another kid because they're getting so much exposure and practice. I hope you liked the video, and like, subscribe, share, try it. Write down in the comments when you tried, what happened, what happy surprises you got. I'll come back to you yet another time with yet another video. Bye bye.